Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and on today's episode, we are going to be making homemade eclairs. This is one of my favorite desserts ever. I used to always buy it at the stores until my mom taught me how to make them. So now I make them all the time. They're really easy. I did miss a step in recording. I think the camera just shut off. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna let you know once that time comes and what you're gonna do. So just keep that in mind when you're watching the video. But other than that, it's really smooth sailing. So I'm really excited to share it with you. Let's get started.
Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This particle life. This particle life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down.
All right, so right about now, you're gonna stop what you're doing. And because I forgot to film this, what you're gonna do is you've transferred your pudding, your warm pudding, into your bowl, right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your unsalted butter, I believe it's 4 tablespoons that we're using. You're going to add that to the hot pudding. You're going to mix it until it's completely dissolved, and then you're going to cover it, making sure that your saran wrap covers the top, is touching the top. Otherwise, you get that like skin, that forms, and you don't want that. So you're just going to cover it, and then you're going to set it aside for it to cool. You can make this the day before if you want to, or just make it in time for when you put them in your eclair that they're chilled. So let's go.
Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built a wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This particle life. This particle life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Cause I'm getting stronger. Cause I'm getting stronger. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me,